Hey everybody! In this section we will talk about layout design and how we could design desktop application using Python. What I mean by desktop application, if you search in your Windows or Mac for calculator, you will see application that have a layout. You could interact with this layout, and when you click something, he will do process for you and give you a result. So to just give you overview about what we mean by desktop application, it is very basic thing. It's just simple layout that someone designed it, and when, for example, if you interact with this layout by clicking 3 multiply by 4 and you click equal, he will send all this information to the normal function written in any language, maybe Objective-C, maybe Swift, maybe Python, and that function will do addition and it will give you the result back. So one thing this layout could do for you is just showing you a result and getting your input information from you. The idea from building this type of application, it's for user experience. So it is really hard for users if he try to enter the information directly from the screen, from the black screen or whatever, which is very hard. So what interesting here, Python used library named tk-enter. This tk-enter is supported by Windows, Mac, Linux because it's just internally using specific shell scripting. That is mean if you develop desktop application in Python, it will work on Windows or Mac or Linux, which is the great news. So one application work across platform. So this is the good benefit of from tk-enter. So to get started, I will in the search for IDLE, I think, yes. So IDLE, this is something provided with Python when you install Python. This already being installed, if it's in Windows or Mac. If I open it, the last version I have is 3.6, maybe you have a newest version, if you see it here. So tk-enter already shipped with Python. To make sure you tk-enter already shipped, just look for right here, import tk-enter. Then click enter. If you move, that's great. Again, now do what you have to do. Just write import underscore tk-enter, okay, or /. So tk-enter. So this is second import. So now you have to import. Now just to do test, I will write tk-enter. Then I write dot, then underscore or /. I don't know what you name it. Then test, then open a bracket, close it. Then click enter. If he show you this screen, this desktop screen, maybe it doesn't show here, it will appear down. So that is mean you are great. That's this tk-enter already shipped to your Python and it installed. It's by default shipped with Python 3.6 and after. So if you're using 3.6 and after, that's totally okay. It's already shipped in either in Windows or Mac. So if you see when I interact this layout, you will do some process for me. So basically make sure from your setup for tk-enter to working. It should work. So but test it. If it is fine, that's great. Go to the next step.